Claude just changed how we use the internet forever, and it's all because of this new skill it got called Firecrawl. And you see, browsers were originally built for people. So every login screen, captcha, or are you a robot checkbox was initially designed assuming a person was on the other side. So when an AI agent tried to use the web, it was fighting a system that it was never built for. And this new Firecrawl skill changes that. It makes the web agentic, meaning Claude can now log in and stay logged in into your accounts, access apps and dashboards it could not touch before, and run dozens of browsers in parallel. So everything it does on the web is finally fast, reliable, and actually works. I've been actually using this for the past few weeks, and it's literally changed how I work. So in this video, I'm going to break it down in 3 levels so you can do the same. First, we're going to get set up. We're going to install Firecrawl, connect it to Claude, and I'll show you what it can do. Then we're going to give Claude the ability to log into your apps and access sites that blocks every other tool. And level 3, we're going to give Claude the ability to run multiple browsers in parallel so that everything it does on the web is fast, reliable, and most importantly, actually remembers what you're working on and keeps that context of what you're trying to accomplish over time. And even if you have zero technical background, you'll be able to do this because all we're doing is simply speaking to Claude. Let's get into it. Okay, before we set anything up, let me quickly explain why what we're doing is so important. Because right now, if you wanted to give Claude browser access, you'd basically be handing it the keys to your actual browser, the one you use every day. So your Gmail, your banking, your passwords, everything. And sure, Claude has good intentions, but do you really want an AI agent roaming freely through your personal browser with access to everything on your machine? One wrong move, and it's potentially touching stuff you'd never wanted near. So we're going to be using Firecrawl to solve this by giving Claude its own dedicated browser, completely separate from yours. So Claude gets a sandboxed environment that's isolated, private, and controlled. And my personal favorite part about this is that this cloud browser stays logged in. So once Claude authenticates to a service you need, that session is saved and persisted. So next time you need it, Firecrawl lets it remember so you can control whatever access you give Claude. That's the difference between giving your AI agent your card versus giving it its own cars. And that's how we should stay safe